So I was reading this article by the Daily Mail. I mean, you can consider it a clickbait article where it says, stunned families reveal how their children's autism symptoms were reversed by a cheap life-changing drug. So this drug is called, Leucovorin, which is a folic acid analog that is normally used as an antidote to methotrexate and is also used as a part of the chemotherapy treatment. So basically in the article, a lot of families have expressed, certain testimonies of how they found Leucovorin to be effective. So for example, one parent said their child who was 8 years old was basically non-verbal and, within weeks of taking the Leucovorin, which is a medication derived from folic acid that works by unblocking pathways in the brain responsible for language, within a couple of weeks, this child was speaking in full sentences. I mean, wow, So again, there's been more testimonies about, the use of Leucovorin, about how, another parent said, the child had limited communication. And when it took the Leucovorin, again, the communication, significantly improved. So it goes on to describe Leucovorin that this is derived from folic acid, which known as vitamin B9. Folic acid is a medication that helps to repair and make new DNA in our body cells. If our body cells are damaged, folic acid helps to synthesize and repair the damaged DNA. So basically, there was research which showed that 3 in 4 autistic children did not have enough folate supply in the brain. So in America, they're currently doing, studies on Leucovorin. They're doing the liquid version for children, by the way, because as you know, most children cannot swallow tablets. So they're doing the liquid version because there's a theory of, it could be the fact that you've got lack of folate supply or insufficient folate supply, which in children with autism, which then leads to speech and behavioral problems, and that by taking Leucovorin, which is derived from folic acid, you should see an improvement. However, in addition to that, a lot of these children are also undergoing, speech and behavioral therapy, such as the ABA. So they've said that, look, it could not be just a Leucovorin on its own. It could be Leucovorin in combination with the speech and behavioral therapy, but they have noticed significant leaps in progress of the children when taking Leucovorin as opposed to just the speech and behavioral therapy on its own. This is another story about a girl who was 10. Again, she had echolalia. Echolalia is basically meaningless repetition of words by another person. So she had echolalia. She was in a private school for autistic children. And the teachers have noted that since she has started taking this Leucovorin, by the way, the teachers did not know they were taking Leucovorin. So they noticed that her comprehension, her English, her maths, her speech had all improved. And then the parents revealed that, yes, she was taking Leucovorin. She's now playing with kids. She's more interactive. She's also not as sensitive to sensory stimuli, like loud noises, for instance, as she was prior to taking Leucovorin. So the clinical trials have now ended. However, a lot of these children still have speech and behavioral therapy. In this case, there's this chap who takes 4 Leucovorin pills a day, says the dose gradually increases as he gets older. He still does speech and ABA therapy as well, which is applied behavioral analysis. It is hoped that as they get older, because a lot of autistic children can be quite dependent, in certain aspects, such as, whether it's finances and general day-to-day activities. But it is hoped that there will be improved social interaction. They can display things like empathy, improvement of speech, being able to communicate more. And this will help them to gain jobs, get married in life, have children, what everyday normal people would consider normal. So I went into another website to look more on Leucovorin. It states that Leucovorin may play a part in improving verbal communication in some individuals with autistic spectrum disorder who have speech challenges and certain antibodies that causes a vitamin deficiency in the brain. Research shows that some individuals with ASD who experience speech challenges have a folate deficiency in the brain, and this vitamin deficiency is caused by an autoimmune response where antibodies block folate from entering the brain for the folate receptor alpha. We have a condition called cerebral folate deficiency, where individuals have a high amount of antibodies that blocks folic acid from entering the brain, which affects the functioning. So what would happen in this case is that Leucovorin will bypass that pathway where the function is blocked and use an alternative pathway to reach the brain. Just to let you know that Leucovorin is not something you can just get from your doctor or buy over the counter or line up from the pharmacy. It is a drug that is also used in chemotherapy as well as to counteract the side effects of methotrexate. So it is something that was done as part of clinical trials for certain children with autism. So it's not yet widely available. It is considered to be relatively cheap, but if it's useful in autism, who knows, the price might skyrocket. You know how it is with these pharma companies that like to make money. So let's see how it goes. If you have any personal experiences with, either use of folic acid or folinic acid, as Leucovorin is called, please drop some comments below.